Tête-à-tête 22. The interactive installation. It is a conversational sitting object to explore the intimate dependency in relationships that are difficult to achieve remotely using a pair of kinetic chairs that gradually become unstable. The installation requires its seatmates to work as a team to maintain their balance. The motions of two interactive chairs illustrates the complexity of building and sustain human relationships, the ups and downs, unpredictable waves, and the need for cooperation in order to coexist. The metaphor imparts a greater sense of a physical experience when two people are seated on it. It elicits people to converse with one another while learning how to align their body movements and minds throughout the uneasy and uncomfortable interaction. The chairs are made out of two layers of a steel sheet, laser cut to create both the chair's contour and the decorative piercing. Then each layer is carefully bent as a long organic curve to form three parts: a sitting pad, a leg, and a footrest. As a second feature, the metal chair frames are paired with leather material that is created by pyrography, engraving rich tones and patterns on the leather by using heat, bringing hand-drawn details. The back seats are built like a strand of hair, and the two back seats are joined together like a bundle of hair. The strings are 3D printed out of a PLA. Mechanically, both chairs rotate just under the seat on the center axis, tilting the person sideways and synchronize their rotation. The rotation is entirely powered by the balance of the seatmates.